When we were building the plans for our house, I don't remember how we came about, but I remember mentioning to my wife, I said, let's put a wood-fired oven in it. And it all came from that. I think we were out to dinner one night and saw one in a restaurant, and then I said, let's do that in our house. So here we are, we got it. I make bread, I slow roast ribs in it. I have made strombolis. We had some events here over the winter with the kids, winter ball and prom and stuff, and people come in and are like, oh my goodness, I never saw one of these in a house before. It's a lot of fun, especially in the winter time when we're getting a movie going or football's on or something like that. For the wood oven, I think it gives the food a much different flavor. The final product that comes out of the oven is much more flavorful, has better taste, better quality, whatever the words are, than a conventional oven.